Hello guys, welcome back to Planet IELTS. My name is Nikhil and in today's video we are going to discuss about real exam question. In IELTS exam there are two slots, morning slots and evening slots. In these videos we will be discussing writing task 2 questions. This video is going to be short but please stay tuned till the end to understand the whole question. Before continuing the video, I would request you guys to subscribe to my channel to avail more such content in future and also press the bell icon. Now let's go to my computer screen and start the video.
Writing Task 2 Real Exam Question. Morning Slot, April 9, 2022, India. The question is, traffic and housing problem in major cities could be solved by moving large companies and factories and their employees to countryside. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? Guys, please note down the question and points into your notebooks, or you can also pause the video and take a screenshot. Now, let's understand the question. To understand the question, let's divide it into two parts. Part 1. Part 1 is statement and part 2 is question. Let's understand part 1, which is statement. The statement says, traffic and housing problem in major cities could be solved by moving large companies and factories and their employees to countryside. Now, if you can see the statement, we have to mark certain keywords. The first keyword is traffic and the second is housing. These are the two problems mentioned in the statement, and there is an opinion that these two problems can be solved if large companies, large factories and their employees are moved to countryside, which is a village, where the area is large and there is no traffic there. Now, the next part is question. The question is, to what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? It means, what is your opinion on this? In agree-disagree essay, we have three options. Either we can 100% agree, or we can 100% disagree, or we can do 70-30. In this essay, we are going to follow the 70-30 approach. It means our opinion will be towards the agreement, but we will also talk about the other side. Now, let's start with the point. First, we are going to talk about body paragraph 1, in which we will give reason behind our opinion that is in favor of the question. The first point is, corporate sector is the major source of traffic. To explain this point, I would give some point. Number 1, peak hour rush. Number 2, that it requires large parking spaces for the vehicle. And number 3, commercial vehicle, that is for delivery van, staff buses, trucks. Now let me explain all these points. They says that corporate sector, because of corporate sector, there is peak hour rush. That is rush on the roads at 9 a.m. or 5 p.m. when the shifts start and end. Second is that it requires large parking space. The vehicles of corporate sector require large parking space, which also create scarcity of land and traffic problem. Third is commercial vehicle, that these businesses require commercial vehicles such as delivery vans, large trucks and staff buses, which also create traffic. Second point is accommodation problem due to scarcity of land.
Before moving forward, I would request you guys to please like, share and subscribe the channel. Also, you can join our online IELTS classes by calling on this number. There are more videos on IELTS listening, reading, speaking, and the links are in the description below. Now let's continue.
As we can see that there is no land left in cities to accommodate large population. Also, nuclear family trends require more houses. People nowadays are living in nuclear families, and because of that, they require more houses. Number 3 is that countryside has ample of land to accommodate businesses and individual both. Fourth point, we will talk that it provide two-way benefits. It also solves traffic problem and housing problem and helps in development of the village area. Now let's move towards body paragraph 2. In this paragraph, we will talk about the other side, which is the opposite side. We are going to discuss about some point of opposite side. Point number 1. In point number 1, I will say that it is not fruitful. What I mean that it is not fruitful to relocate people from cities to village. Why? Because it will increase the traveling between cities and villages. What I mean to say is that village people will travel to cities for basic needs such as healthcare, education and shopping. Another point is that this will increase highway traffic. The second point that I am going to mention is that there can be other measures which can be taken to avoid traffic and housing issues. And these measures are more fruitful. The measures are managing shifts to avoid peak hour traffic. The shifts can be managed and can be divided so that all the traffic do not run at the same time. Next point is accommodating employees in business housing premises. Large businesses can make their own housing premises, especially for the employees who are coming from another city, so that they don't need to travel to the business.
So this was all about this video. Please comment below and tell that was it helpful. This will encourage me to make more such video in future. If you have any doubts, you can contact me on the given number. Also, you can avail the full sample answer of this question on my Instagram page. The link is in the description below. And for your reference, the username is IELTS Online Classes _. So this is Nikhil Kapoor signing off. Stay tuned for more such video. Bye bye.